Yo everyone, finally I found only working software who allowed you to generate our unlock code for our ZTE. As you can see, Unlocker++ application is already installed, and this application allowed you to generate our unlock code to ZTE. All you have to do, we must enter our IMEI number. Okay, press your IMEI number. And the next step is press button generate, and now as you can see everything is generated, so it's absolutely for free way to finish this process. After finish, as you can see, this is our unlock code. All you have to do, you must enter your IMEI number. It's work for all model of ZTE. So how to get Unlocker++ application for your device? Basically it's a very simple method. Open this website, type this the Unlocker++, press button install, and that's it. Now Unlocker++ is already installed in your device, but way to finish this process, the last step is human verification. Follow all instructions. After complete every step from this verification, Unlocker++ will be installed in your device. It's absolutely for free. So enjoy and thank you for watching.